Hello everybody, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I will show you how to crop an image in InDesign. So let's have a look now. First, open your InDesign document and navigate to the page with the image you want to crop. Click on the image to select the frame containing it. Click and drag any of the frame's handles, the smallest square, the corners and sides, to adjust the size of the frame. Move the frame handles inward to hide the parts of the image you don't want to show. This effectively crops the image. So there you go. I hope this video helped you out. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.